In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless loop video using Clipchamp. This is a really handy technique, especially if you're aiming to create continuous content like presentations, social media clips, or background visuals. Let's dive right in and keep things straightforward and easy to follow. First, we'll start by navigating to Clipchamp. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in Clipchamp's website address. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to log in or create an account if you haven't yet. Fortunately, the interface is user-friendly, which makes the whole process a breeze even if you're new to video editing. Now let's get to the fun part, making your video loop. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to the editing panel. This is where all the magic happens. You should see your project area where you can import or drag and drop your video files. Select the video you want to loop. With your video now ready and visible in the panel, highlight the video clip you wish to extend. To create a loop, you can use the simple and effective duplicate method. What you'll want to do is right-click on your video clip within the editing timeline. When you do this, a small menu will pop up. In this menu, you'll find the option to duplicate. This feature is your best friend for looping. Click on it and voila! Your video clip gets duplicated right there on the timeline. The beauty of duplicating a video is that it replicates the precise moment from start to finish seamlessly. You can repeat this process as many times as you need to achieve the desired length for the video loop. For instance, if you're looking to create a 5-minute loop from a 30-second clip, you'd want to duplicate the original file 10 times to reach that goal. It's intuitive and efficient, making loop creation hassle-free. Once you've duplicated your clips to the desired length, make sure to review the video to ensure it loops smoothly. Watching it through a few times will help you identify any potential gaps or awkward transitions between duplicated clips. After you confirm everything looks perfect, you're all set. You've now crafted a looping video and you can export it as you usually would. Just hit the export button and select the resolution that fits your needs. Clipchamp offers different quality settings, so you can choose based on whether this is for professional use or casual sharing. And there you have it, a continuous loop video ready to be shared or utilized in any creative way you can imagine. I hope you found this guide to be clear and helpful. Thanks for joining in today, and happy editing.